Hi, I'm back again. It's me, Pinky Solomon. This is the third video I'm going to do with square scarf only again because I love to wear square scarf in many different ways. I hope I'll end this square scarf video in this one. Let me get into my job. See, I've taken a beautiful, the first video itself I have shown this one. Pink, beige, black color combination. See what I'm going to do? Simple. How I'm wearing now. This is a bodycon dress with a scarf which I'm going to do now. This pattern I'm wearing. Just tie like this because it's square, no? Any side you can take. Tie like this and the other end just fold like this and tie at the back. And I'm not tying and showing, just tie at the back. Even over this also you can wear blazer. It will look nice. Nice, no? So this is first one. Second one, just as usual, gather the fabric by taking pleats, small pleats like this. Let me be quick because I want to finish this video. And magical ring, scarf ring, just no, before inserting what you can do, just wear around your neck and then insert. That will be better. See what I'm doing? If you have little bigger ring also it's nice. If not also no problem. Because it's satin no. So it's a kind of thick fabric. The other end also I need to insert. I'm finding it hard. You people go for better, bigger size. If you are depending upon I told you thickness of your scarf. Somehow, oh my god, somehow I did. See, now it's you can leave like this. This itself I can call one pattern. You can leave like this. Nice, no? See, that is the advantage of this magical ring. Just you can leave like this because if you put knot, something it will be heavy or you will find it heavy over here. So if you wear a ring, then you will not. Just hold the two edges like this and then tie at the back. Tie at the back. Tying at the back I'm not showing, just tie. And you just see, so beautiful. See, all like it's like feathered scarf, frills or pleats, all you can see. Just see. Nice. Very simple. How to do? You just replay and see. So I'm just removing. And then again, let me be fast. So take the square scarf, this same square scarf. I'm just fold it into two halves. Can you see? Diagonal wise. Again into half. It has to be equal. Again into half. Again into half. Can you see? The same direction. Again into half until it becomes very thin. Yeah. Now it's thin, no? Yes. And it is uniform too. Just hold the middle. Don't leave it. And insert the scarf through this ring. See what I'm doing? Through this I'm just inserting Yeah, just check whether both side equal or not, and then just tie around your neck. Don't hold too tight and kill yourself. Just this much tight is enough. Now you have these two tails, no? You can just leave like this. That is one style, or else still gap is there. I'm just inserting one end like this. The other end of tail also I'm just inserting like this. Can you see? Yeah. Scarf itself is very beautiful. And this pattern, my most favorite one. Don't leave like this in the middle. Just see the tail. Nice, no? So just turn. This is over blazer. It will be very, very fine. Nice. Beautiful. Just see. Just see around my neck and this way. Yeah. If you wear like this, you will love yourself. And then slowly remove. Now you don't require this ring, but don't disturb the pattern. Just leave around, just around your neck and leave like this. Such a big scarf. I have made it very thin one, and you can leave like this. And next pattern, just tie like this and leave. These and all for jeans, it will be nice. And then, or else just put one knot. Knot, you know to put, no? Just knot, you know to put. Insert. Insert and leave. This is next one. And then the same fabric or this pattern you can wear men tie too, but don't ask me to show that. You can ask your men to teach that one, because they'll teach you in a better way, so that I'm not doing it. Okay, so that pattern also you can wear. Now with ring, I'm just going for small one with ring. Just insert the fabric like this once, and then twice. It will stay, don't go anywhere. Now the other side, just you can insert, just you can, please bear me, I want to complete this square scarf in this video, and next video I would like to do with the rectangular scarf or a stole. Just leave like this. Nice. Sleeve. No knot, nothing. Just one ring. Very simple. And here, if you want, you can make bow. If you want, you can make slightly. So bow tie. See, with one ring you can do plenty of techniques. Plenty of techniques. And this is with the ring. One second. The last one I'll explain with the buckle too. Buckle, see, this one or white one. I'll just go for white one. Similar way, or just from the back you enter. Okay, and through the next hole you just come out. Similarly, the other end also, from the back you enter, through the other hole you just come out. See how beautiful it is. You try everything in front of the mirror, you will get plenty of designs like this. Name them, You keep your husband's name or son name or daughter name for each and every pattern. Okay, you be a brand for that pattern. That's it. So all these I learned by myself with the buckle and ring. That's the end of this video.